Hello everyone, I am Prabjit Kaur and today's topic is expanded form and standard form. Standard form means short form, okay? Next comes expanded form. What is expanded form? Writing a number as the sum of the place values of its digits is called the expanded form of that number. What is expanded form? Expanded form is writing a number as the sum of the place values of its digits. I explain you with an example. Suppose we have to write this number in the expanded form, then how we will write? I have explained you that expanded form is sum of the place values of its digits. So write the places ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, so what is the place value of 8? The place value of 8 is 10,000. So we will multiply 8 by 10,000. The place value of 4 is 1000. 4 is at which place? 1000 place. So the place value of 4 is 1000. The place value of 5 is 100. 5 is at 100's place. So the place value of 5 is 100. The place value of 3 is tens. Means we will multiply 3 by 10 and the place value of 6 is ones, so multiply 6 by 1. So it will become, if we multiply 8 by 10,000, it will be 80,000 plus 4 multiplied by 1000 is 4,000, 5 multiplied by 100 is 500, 3 multiplied by 10 is 30 and 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. जितनी हमारी ज़ीरोज़ होती हैं हम अपने डिजिट के आगे उतनी ज़ीरोज़ लगा देंगे. यहाँ पर हमारे पास 4 ज़ीरोज़ थी तो हमने 4 ज़ीरोज़ लगा दी 8 के आगे. यहाँ हमारे पास 3 ज़ीरोज़ थी तो हमने 3 ज़ीरोज़ लगा दी. Okay. If we have to multiply a number by 10, 100 or 1000, then what we do? We simply count the digits, count the zeros, we simply count the zeros. Here there are 4 zeros, okay, and place these zeros to the right of the digit. Here we are having 8, so we will place 4 zeros to the right of 8. Here we are having 4 and there are 3 zeros, so place 3 zeros to the right of 3. This way we multiply by 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose we have to write this number in the expanded form. So what we will do, we will write it as sum of place values of its digits. Okay. What is expanded form? Expanded form is writing a number as the sum of the place values of its digits. So the place value of digit 4 is lakhs. 4 is at which position? Lakhs position. So multiply 4 by lakh. Okay. Then 5 is at 10,000 position. So multiply 5 by 10,000. Then 6 is at 1000 position, so multiply 6 by 1000. Next comes 9. 9 is at which position? 100's position. So multiply 9 by 100. Then 2 is at 10's position and 3 is at 1's position. So we will multiply 2 by 10 and 3 by 1. Okay, multiply 2 by 10 and 3 by 1. So what it will become? It will be 4. Count the zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and place it to the right of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 multiplied by 10,000 is 5. Count the zeros. 4 zeros are here. Place 4 zeros. Then 6. There are 3 zeros here. So put 3 zeros to the right of the number. There are 2 zeros here. So put 2 zeros. Then comes 1 0, so put 1 0 to the right of the number and then 3 ones are 3. So this is the expanded form of this number. Okay, there is shortcut method also. See, we are having this number and we have to write it in the expanded form. Okay, so what we will do, just start from the left. Here there is here the first digit is 4. हमारी first digit कौन सी है? 4 है. इसके बाद कितनी digits हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 डिजिट्स हैं तो आप 5 zeros लगा देंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट डिजिट हमारी कौन सी है? 5 है. यहाँ लिखा हमने 5. और 5 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4, 4 डिजिट्स हैं तो आप 4 जीरोस लगा देंगे। ओके, उसके बाद हमारी नेक्स्ट डिजिट है 6, आप लिखेंगे 6 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 3 डिजिट्स हैं तो आप 3 जीरोस लगाएंगे। जितनी हमारी डिजिट्स होंगी हमारे नंबर के बाद हम उतनी जीरोस लगा देंगे। नेक्स्ट डिजिट हमारी 9 है, 9 के बाद कितनी बची? 2 बची तो आप 2 जीरोस लगा दें। फिर उसके बाद हमारी डिजिट आती है 2 के बाद एक ही डिजिट बची है तो आप 1 जीरो लगाएंगे। और उसके बाद 3 है, 3 के बाद कोई भी डिजिट नहीं है तो 3 को आप ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे। सो दिस इज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस। यू कैन मैच फ्रॉम दिस ऑल्सो। सी, दिस इज 4 lakh, this is 4 lakh, this is 50,000, 50,000, 6,000, 6,000. Here is 900, here is also 900. So this way you can write a number in the expanded form. You can use any method out of these two. Next comes standard form. What is standard form of a number? The standard form of a number is given by combining the face value of each digit at the correct place. Okay? How we get the standard form? By combining the face value of each digit at the correct place. I explain you with an example. This expanded form is given to us and we have to write this in the standard form. Then how we will write? See, it's written here that standard form of a number is given by combining the face value. हमें हर डिजिट की फेस वैल्यू देखनी है एट द करेक्ट प्लेस। नाउ सी, 7 इज मल्टीप्लाइड हियर बाय लैक। ओके, 7 यहाँ पर लैक से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है। सबसे पहले आप सारी प्लेसेस लिख लेंगे, वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000 एंड देन लैक। ओके, 7 is multiplied by 1 lakh, so we will take the face value of 7. We will not consider the place values now. The place value of 7 is now lakh, so we will take the face value only. It will be 7. And the place value of 8 here is 10,000, so we will consider only the face value. It will be 8. Okay, we will write 8 at 10,000 place because we have to write at the correct place. 8 is at 10,000 place, so we will write 8 at 10,000 position. Okay, 2 is at thousands position, so write 2 at thousands position. 9 is multiplied by 100 here, so we will write 9 at hundreds position. 6 is multiplied by 10, so at tens position you will write 6, and 1 is multiplied by 5, so at ones position you will write 5. So the standard form of this expanded form is 7,82,965. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to write this expanded form in the standard form. So how we will write? Here see, 6 is multiplied by 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 6 is multiplied by 1 lakh here. First of all, write the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then lakh. Okay, now 6 is multiplied by lakh, so at lakhs position you will write 6 only. 8 is multiplied by 10,000. 8 जो है 10,000 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो आप 10,000 पोजीशन पर लिख देंगे 8. ओके, नाउ 4 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. 400 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो आप 100 पोजीशन पर लिखेंगे 4. ओके, 9 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10. 9 10 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो आप 10 पोजीशन पर लिखेंगे 9. अब हमारी थाउजेंड्स पोजीशन और वंस पोजीशन पे कोई भी डिजिट नहीं आई तो यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे 0. Okay, now place commas. So this is the standard form of this expanded form. Okay, so this way we write the number in the standard form.